Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Firstly, just open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Following that, go into Theme section, and to change your theme, scroll down and tap on those dots at the top right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you are finished, click on the best one for you. In my case, this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save your new theme by hitting apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you prefer to customize it, you can do that by going into exactly the same settings, but this time selecting this plus under my themes. Now click on your new keyboard's background. I will go with maybe this one. Pinch your photo to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!